So this is chapter 7.3. We have to prove the identity. Problem number 79 is 2 tangent of x minus cotangent of x over tangent square of x minus cotangent square of x is equals to sine 2x. So to prove the identity, we first have to choose one side. So I choose this side. Over here, I have this side. It's the same. So we know that cotangent is the same as 1 over tangent, so we can write cotangent as 1 over tangent. Cotangent square of x as 1 over tangent square of x. So we want to have the same common denominator here in order to subtract them. So we multiply times tangent of x top and bottom, and in the denominator we need the same common denominator of tangent square of x. So we multiply top and bottom by tangent square of x, and we get tangent square of x and over tangent, and here we get tangent to the 4x over tangent square x. So I have here, when I multiply this and this, I get this, and tangent here, and we just copy this over here. We have the 2 there, and here we multiply this, we got this over tangent square of x here, and we just copy this because this is what we want to have over here. So now we see that we have the same common denominator here, and we have this same common denominator here too. So we can write this as 1, just one time, and 1. So this is the same, I just put this together, and we know that this is a division, so we can write this as a division like that. So the opposite of division is multiplication, so I have the multiplication here, but in the multiplication we have to switch this, so I switch over here. Tangent square of x is in the top now, and u is in the bottom. So now we can see that we have tangent of x here and tangent square of x here, so we're able to cancel 1, and we're able to cancel 2 here because we have tangent square of x minus 1 and tangent to the 4x minus 1. We can cancel 2 of them, so we cancel here and here, and we just get tangent of x here. So we will write the 2 times the tangent of x, we get 2 tangent x, and here in the bottom we get tangent square of x minus 1 because this is cancelled already. So we just have this tangent square of x minus 1, tangent square of x minus 1. So this is a division, and we know that tangent of x is equals to sine of x over cosine of x. Tangent square of x is equals to sine square of x over cosine square of x. So in here we want to have the same common denominator, so we multiply times cosine square of x top and bottom, and we get sine square of x minus cosine square of x over cosine square of x. So this is a division, and we can write it like that. So in here we know that sine square of x minus cosine square of x is one of our fundamental identities that is equals to 1. Sine square of x minus cosine square of x is equals to 1. So we have the 1 here, and we copy this over here, and cosine square of here. So we have division here, so we want the opposite of division is multiplication, so we do the multiplication. So when we multiply this, they switch, so the cosine square of x is in the top now for the multiplication. And now we see that we have cosine of x in the bottom and cosine square of x in the top, so we can cancel 1 and we get cosine of x. And there is nothing more to cancel, so we're left with 2 sine of x cosine of x. 2 sine of x cosine of x is one of our double angle formulas, and that is equals to sine 2x, so we put the identity, the sine of 2x is equals to sine of 2x. It was there, sine of 2x.